You asked a question about the grasses that we hadn't covered yet. One of the reasons we know what grasses, what hay, is that we actually on staff have a nutritionist. He's out of Colorado, and he comes out here and he takes clippings of the grass, the weeds, samples of hay all over the ranch, soil samples, takes them back to a lab and has them analyzed. And then he tells me how much fertilizer I might need, what kind, whether I need potassium, potash, or lime. He tells me how the pastures need to be managed, or helps me. And we discuss the hay and how good it is based on his knowledge and his testing. And then we make a custom mineral package for the cattle. That'd be salt to you folks. And we put all the trace minerals that he thinks are lacking in our soil or in the grass. So this is a never-ending process because this keeps changing. Now, as we put the minerals, trace minerals, selenium is one that we use a lot, and copper. As we put that in the mineral in the cattle and they eat it, it does what it needs to do in their bodies. But a certain amount of that is then transported back into the soil, which is deficient in those things. So the cattle are actually helping to make this ranch more ecologically sound, and they're helping to fertilize and replace trace minerals. That's why when you look around this ranch, there's just so much grass, even though we have a large number of cows. And remember, I manage it for quail, so all these things benefit quail.